Hey guys, Peachy doing another Tasty Treats quick review. Thank you again, and shout out to Jackie and Summer for made these treats. Some of the Better Made signature cheddar cheese popcorn. If you guys are enjoying these, like a short little. This one might even end up being a short. Smells and looks like cheddar popcorn. That's good. I don't like how some cheddar popcorn is like too powdery to cheese. Overwhelming amounts of salt. That's really good. It's nice cheesy. A little bit of like butteriness. I give it an 8.5. Pretty good. I like that. Really good. I hope you guys enjoyed this shorter video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.